Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Apple. We initially shared a report on our website on Monday, December 4, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. If you find this content valuable, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any important updates that could affect your investments. But that's not all. We've recently launched an exciting new tool called the AI Stock Analysis Tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. This tool taps into the power of artificial intelligence to provide free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. It's a game changer for enhancing your trading decisions. Before we begin, please keep in mind that this video is purely for informational purposes and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has ranked Apple as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.34. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown some natural fluctuations, gaining 4.19%. This means it has achieved an average daily return of 0.22% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. In the short term, the stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend. This can present a great opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $193.42, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 7.67% change over the next 3 months. The possible return falls between -1.91% and 9.94%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 32.66% change over the next 12 months. The potential return lies between 20.74% and 50.64%, which translates to a price range of $228.71 to $285.35 after a year. Our latest update for Apple reveals that its stock has been downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, the Apple stock price experienced a decline of 0.95%, moving from $191.24 to $189.43 on Monday, December 4, 2023. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.36%, reaching a low of $187.46 and a high of $190.01. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of 0.14%. Although the volume of shares increased by 2 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 42 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of $7.89 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, its highest price was $198.22, while the lowest price recorded was $124.17. Currently, the stock price is 4.43% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $8.79. Additionally, it is 17.01% below the all-time high that occurred on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple a rating of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank assigned Apple a rating of sector weight with a recommendation to hold. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave Apple an outperform rating with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI awarded Apple an outperform rating with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays issued Apple an equal weight rating with a recommendation to hold. Apple stock has received a general rating of strong buy from analysts. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio also received a strong buy rating. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will analyze the signals for Apple stock. Currently, the short-term moving average gives a sell signal, while the long-term average gives a buy signal. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock continues to gain, it may face resistance around $190.02 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if it falls, it may find support around $181.65 from the long-term average. Breaking above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. However, there are also some negative signals to consider. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a decrease of -1.06% so far. This suggests that further decline may occur until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently gives a sell signal. It's worth noting that volume increased when prices fell yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a sell signal. Pivots are indicating a sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When looking at the downside, we can see that the stock has some support levels just below today's level. These support levels are at $177.56 and $176.30. It's important to note that there is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if the support level at $177.56 is broken, then the next support levels will be at $176.30 and $175.01. Apple is a stock that is usually traded at a good volume and experiences minor daily changes, which means the risk is considered to be low. In the last day, the stock moved $2.55, 1.36%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.25%. Today, we'll be discussing the potential good trading levels for Apple. But before we jump into that, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is commonly observed in companies with a long track record or stable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $2.08. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we're going to analyze potential day trading levels for Apple. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $189.69. If you're not a shareholder, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point for traders, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris sold 5,513 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 10, 2023, Kondo Chris sold 4,806 shares of common stock as an insider. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be minus 23.131, which indicates a negative trend. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $183.88, reflecting a decrease of 2.93%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates into lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 9 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? While Apple holds several negative signals that may make it a sell candidate, there is also a chance for a turnaround situation, making it a hold candidate or even worth accumulating in this position. We should await further development to make a more informed decision. It's important to note that there are some small weaknesses in the technical picture, leading us to change our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. When analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, December 5th, we expect Apple's opening price to be down by $0.463 at $188.97. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Therefore, it's crucial that you consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Keep in mind that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a fantastic day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.